Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV stick. The first step is to go to the home page on your Fire TV stick by pressing the home button on your remote. Once you're on the home page, move across to the right until you see the gear or cog icon. Select it, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Inside, you'll see the option for developer options. Click into it, then scroll down and you'll find the setting for apps from unknown sources. In some cases, it may say install unknown apps instead. From here, you'll be able to grant permission to specific apps once they're installed. If you don't see the developer options menu, don't worry, you can easily enable it. While still in the My Fire TV section, select About. Make sure your Fire TV stick device is highlighted. With it selected, press the Select button on your remote 7 times in a row. You'll see a message like you are already a developer or something similar. If it's your first time, this will enable developer mode. After that, go back and you'll now see the developer options menu available. Open it, and you'll be able to turn on the setting that allows apps from unknown sources. And that's it, super simple. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.